Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Tecno mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show you guys Tecno mobile guys pin lock password setting. How to set up pin lock password, how to use pin lock password setting one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So friends, open your device phone setting. After phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Tecno mobile. Friends, in your Tecno mobile, open your device security setting. After on phone security setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Tecno mobile. So friends, in your Tecno mobile, open your phone screen lock setting, and friends you can use app lock, fingerprint lock setting also. Friends, click here phone pin setting, next option, and draw. Also friends, enter 4 digit pin. If you enter 3 digit pin, you cannot start pin lock password. Enter your 4 digit pin and you can start pin lock password. You can set pin lock password in your Tecno mobile. Next option, and friends remember your password, don't do any mistake. If you do mistake, your phone will not unlock, you will have to reset, you will have to factory reset friends. Friends, again enter your password, confirm option, done option, and friends you can use pin lock password. You can unlock your Tecno mobile with pin password. Enter password 123. Also friends, 2580 phone will unlock. So like that way you can set pin lock password, you can unlock your phone with pin lock password. And friends, you want to change your pin lock password, you can change your pin lock password also. Open your phone security setting again, screen lock setting friends, enter password. After enter password, select your pin password again, next option, and you can change pin. Friends, I will use 0987654321. Next friends, we will use 10 digit password, and friends remember your digit password. If you forget your digit password, you cannot unlock your Tecno mobile, you will have to factory reset. So friends, enter your 10 digit and 8 and 7 digit password, you can unlock your Tecno mobile. After enter 1, phone will unlock. So like that friends, we can use pin lock password setting, we can set and we can change pin lock password in Tecno mobile. And friends, again open your phone security setting, and friends you want to change password, you want to set new password, you want to remove pin password, you can set pattern and you can set password. And you don't want to use pin password, so friends click here remove option, your pin lock password will remove. After remove pin lock password, friends you can unlock your device without password. Swipe here, phone will unlock. So like that friends, we can set up pin lock password in Tecno mobile. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.